this and that toys.
Here we go again. It is day 8 of Adalia's Elves and Advent Calendar adventure. So, let's get her up. Good morning, Adalia. Your dogs are barking for you already. Do you remember what day it is?
December 8th.
Ooh. I gotta go see what's in that calendar. Let's head into the light. Somebody's happy to see you this morning, and he's free of a cone. You're kind of cute when you're not a big giant cone head, huh? Oh, and Fluffy Butt says, "What about me? What about me?"
Where is Fluffy Butt? Oh, here she is.
He says, "Love me too, love me too."
I will. I am. I love him just as much as I love him.
All right. You ready to start your morning adventure?
Yep.
We're gonna start with our advent calendar.
This is the last day, and then I get to go on this side.
Ooh, we get to move to the other side. Just gotta tell you, this your little, you got some crazy hair this morning. Huh? You definitely got bedhead. She must have slept hard. Ooh, you got fuzz in your hair and everything, huh? You must have slept hard.
Yeah.
Okay, day 8. Let's see what we got.
Oh, wait, this is good. It's a poppet fidget spinner.
What?
Triple simple poppet fidget spinner.
A triple, say that again?
A triple simple dimple poppet fidget spinner.
That's a tongue twister if I ever heard one. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. It's a spinner. Look at that spin. That's a good one. And how's it pop?
It's kind of stiff because it hasn't been popped before.
Oh, this is brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. Just got it from an advent calendar.
Well, yeah.
And it came in a bag.
So
Obviously.
the elves didn't bring anything you used? No.
Yeah, no.
No. Wow. That's pretty good. Makes lots of noise. Very nice. Wow. It's got a great spin on it.
How long is it gonna go? It's slowing down.
Wow.
It's going
That's
for
cool
a
because
long
it actually, as
time.
it's slowing down, it starts to look like a flower.
Oh yeah, it does.
Neat. Doing that slow. Oh, that goes for a long time.
Yeah.
Looks like it's never gonna quit. What's up?
Till I touch it.
Oh, touch it. Say that again. Simple dimple.
Triple simple dimple poppet fidget spinner.
Gosh, that's a little crazy for me.
Okay, let's find the elf now.
All right.
What?
Found the elf
Wait.
already?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's turn the light.
Wait, it says free reindeer poop. Help yourself.
You want to try reindeer poop?
Yeah. Tastes like Reese's.
It tastes like a Reese's? The reindeer poop tastes like a Reese's? Free reindeer poop. Help yourself. Lucky's already helping himself. Look at, he's in there. You guys sharing your goodies from your bum? And what the heck is Christy doing?
I was cold, but now I'm toasty.
Oh my goodness gracious. What's up with Snowball's eyes?
Yeah, I don't know. They're googly eyes.
Yeah. Maybe she's in disbelief of the things they've done this morning.
Yeah. No.
I was cold, but now I'm toasty, and she's in between two pieces of toast. So funny. Where's Zulu?
Where?
Zulu's over here?
Wait,
What?
I peed? I peed?
I peed.
He peed.
Did you get it? He peed. And it's made of peas.
Yeah.
He's got peas coming out of his bum. So he says, I peed. He's trying to be funny, I guess. Because it's not actually pee, it's peed.
It's peas.
He peed all over our counter. Ew.
What is Barry doing? He's just staring at it.
With disbelief and googly eyes. Oh my goodness, your elves are goofballs today.
Yep.
So they're gonna make it hard for me to cook dinner. They're in my way.
No.
I got toast and poop and pee all around the stove. Zulu, you're so funny. Look at that. I peed. Look at the giant eyes on Barry.
Snowball.
Giant eyes on Snowball. Like I said, Lucky already jumped in the poop and said yum yum yum.
I'm eating it.
He says, I found a bowl of poo. And apparently,
Want to try some?
Adalia likes poop too. Reindeer poop must be tasty, huh?
It's like Reese's.
Tastes like Reese's? It's too early in the morning for me. But you'll probably eat it all. And you're nice and toasty. Huh. What a morning. So today is Wednesday at school. What's the theme?
I forgot.
You forgot what your theme is?
Yeah.
She can't remember today's theme. I remember today's theme.
Red and green palooza.
Red and green palooza. So you have to wear red and green from head to toe? Alright. Alright, let's change the date on our calendar.
December 8th.
December 8th.
17 days till Christmas.
How exciting. Did you want to get dressed so you can show everybody?
Yeah.
Here comes Adalia for her red and green palooza for school today. Let's see you. Come on here, let me see what you look like. Let's see. Red up here. Red there. Green. What's your shirt say?
Let me take a selfie.
So the word elf.
Elf is highlighted.
Yes, it is. And then we got some red leggings and some red and green striped socks.
Can't even see the leggings.
Yeah, but there's a little shot of red, huh?
Okay, guys, I have to go to school, so make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Bye. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.